I'm bleaching my eyebrows. I'm bleaching my eyebrows.
Don't bleach your eyebrows.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a Donatella Versace inspired look by Spaghetti4000. Before I get started, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Help your girl get to 5K. I'm not gonna make this intro too long, so keep on watching. So after applying my primer, I'm just going in with a wax stick. This is a wax stick that I usually use for my hair that I actually bought off of Amazon. So I'm just applying this to your eyebrows. You don't have to use a wax stick. I've also seen people use gel, like Got2b gel. So use whatever you like that'll stick and that'll keep your brows in shape. So now I'm just using a spoolie and I'm brushing my eyebrows up. So now here comes the fun part. I'm using two different concealers. Both of these concealers will be lighter than my actual skin tone, but I'm just applying these concealers to my eyebrow. As you can see, I'm lightly applying it and then I'm using my spoolie to kind of blend the concealer into my eyebrow, and then I'm just going to keep repeating the same steps with the other concealer, and then I'm just going to brush it and blend it in. Now I'll be concealing my eyebrows. I'm using the same concealer that I usually use to clean up my eyebrows. So this is in the shade Cool Tan and this matches my skin tone. So I'm just concealing the bottom and the top of my eyebrows, and then I'm going to blend it in. Now I realized that I honestly would have been good without concealing the top of my eyebrow, but I did it. But next time I plan on doing bleached eyebrows, I might just leave the top of my eyebrows. So now we're getting into the actual eye look. I'm just placing some concealer on my eyelids. This is still in the shade Cool Tan. I'm just going to blend that out. I like using eyeshadow as a little base because my veins are definitely see-through. And so for my eyeshadow, I'm just using this palette. It doesn't have a name because I got it from Amazon, but I'm starting off with a brown shade as my base, and then I'm going to transition into an actual black shade. With this black, since you know black is such a bold color, I'm going to be packing this onto my eyelids, and I'm just going to continuously add more black just to get that boldness that is desired with this look. And then I'm basically just going to keep blending and blending and blending it out. So it's kind of self-explanatory, so you'll just see in the next clips. I used to be a pro at winged eyeliner in middle school. Not in middle school, in high school. But I'm just going to create a simple wing. Try not to make it too dramatic. So you'll just see me trying to create the wing, trying to perfect it in the best way I can, and making it as noticeable as I can without making it too dramatic. With this same black eyeliner, I will also be using eyeliner on the bottom part of my waterline, and I'll also be using this liquid eyeliner to form the little inner wing with this look. I'm not sure if I recorded it or not, but for my bottom waterline I used my actual black eye pencil. I love color correcting with this reddish orange color corrector by LA Girl, so that's what I'm doing, and I'm definitely making sure to get under my eyes. And so once I'm done with that, I'm just going to blend it in really good. For my foundation, I decided to keep my coverage kind of light. I didn't want to do too much, so I'm using my Maybelline matte foundation, and I'm just applying this all over my face, of course, with my brush. This is my Holy Grail foundation brush. I love this girl with my life. So I'm just blending, and as you'll see, I'm just going to apply a little bit more foundation, but like I said, I wanted this coverage to be full coverage but very minimum. Here goes my favorite part, highlighting. So I'm using my two concealers, as always, the same two concealers I use for my eyebrows, medium beige and creamy beige, to highlight under my eyes, and I highlighted my chin. I also put one of these concealers on the bridge of my nose, but that was basically the only place was where I highlighted. And I also let this concealer sit on my face before blending it out. And I let it sit because I found that when you let concealer sit for a little bit, the coverage is more full. Now I'm applying my mascara, and I actually applied my lashes off camera just to save some time because I'm pretty sure you guys know how to apply lashes. So I'm just blending out my chin first. After blending the concealer out, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution banana powder just to set a little bit under my eyes and on my chin. I like patting the powder into my skin. I don't like letting it sit because I hate when it leaves a white cast. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just patting it into my skin. You guys know I love blush, so I'm using my NYX blush stick. I'm applying this to my cheek, and then I'm just going to blend this out. Blush just creates, like, I love rosy cheeks, and I love how blush looks on me. So I'm just going to apply a bit more, but basically apply and blend. Now here's another fun part, creating faux freckles. So I'm using my black lip liner eyeliner to create these faux freckles. I'm just gently dabbing it on my cheek, and for harsh dots I'm just using my makeup sponge, and I'm just gonna kind of dab it to lighten them. But these faux freckles are such a cute touch with this look. Onto my lips, I'm just going to be using my lip liners, my brown and my black. If you would like more details on my lip combos that I like doing, I have 2 videos out, so make sure you check those out if you're interested. So last but not least, the finishing touch, some highlight. So I just applied some highlight to the bridge of my nose, and I'm applying some to my cheekbones. What's a makeup tutorial without some highlight? Duh. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed, because this is such a fun and edgy look. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.